Hello, amazing people. Welcome again to another amazing episode of our Python tutorial series. And it's day 7 of our VLOGMAS. And in today's episode, we would rather run you through a simple application that's useful for all forms of programming. I mean, it comes in very handy. And it's one that the team would recommend for everyone who is either a beginner, intermediate, or an expert learner. And so this has actually been a concern because most of our beginner programmers have some complaints on the fact that they find it a bit challenging to also follow through what we're doing. And so it's necessary then to make these recommendations. So if you have with your phone or your PC or with any other connecting device, it's quite easy to just go Google search for SoloLearn or do a search for SoloLearn. All right, and with SoloLearn, you can take a more stepwise approach to learning every programming language. And so once you search for SoloLearn, it brings you to the portal. There are a whole lot of options to choose from. So if you're a beginner, I would advise you to go in for Python for beginners, and then you build from there. And with that, it's easy then to now, after understanding this, apply. It's easy to sort of apply what we also run on the Meteo Data channel. And then that's where you get a more holistic appreciation of the entire Python programming language. Yes, so Python has a lot of, applications and general use, not only in the fact that it's computing or computer science specific, but then it cuts through all fields of the sciences, the arts, the various components you can think of. Programming is almost everywhere now. And so Python is also one of the resources that comes in handy for that. So I'd advise you to try to get SoloLearn. All right. So it comes in different options. There's the open-ended one, and then there's also the paid option that if you want to take it step further. All right. So that's all for today's VLOGMAS video. If you have any question, don't forget to ask within the comment section, and then the team would address it. It's been great to spend the time with you. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications so that whenever we post, you would be updated with the current content. And to our returning subscribers, we say thanks for sticking and staying with us. Also, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and then share. Just share the video within your network so that you can help somebody also develop him or herself in the aspects of Python programming. Do have a wonderful time. Bye-bye.